this lesson, we're going to take a look at another very critical component of Quix and what makes this thing incredible and separates it from the rest. Now, one of the benefits of using this page builder is that it gives you the ability for you to check on your SEO. And SEO, of course, we know that plays a major role in how your site ranks and how people will find you. So from the settings here, you want to go over to SEO setting. Let's move this over. So you want to have your SEO title. It's very important that you research the type of title that you want to put. I see so many people want to create extremely long titles or extremely short. Your title should be descriptive of what your page is about. So I'm just going to create just something here, fitness website for beginners. Okay, that's the title. And then for the description, you can type in a description that, explains a little bit more what this title is about. So I'm just going to copy this for the sake of the training, but you make sure you do your research first. Okay, so just don't copy and paste like I'm doing here. Just do your research. And then of course your keywords. Now keywords are not as valuable as they used to be during the early days of SEO. So you can still put them, but search engines like Google really don't use the SEO, the keywords factor anymore to rank your page. And you want to put in here your Twitter username and your Facebook app ID. This is what you get from Facebook, from your developer console. You can be able to get your Facebook app ID and you put that right there. And this is going to be able to connect with your SEO. Now, the reason you're doing this is that you want people to be able to connect this page to you. So if they want to follow you, if they want to become, fans of your page, if they want to see updated content from your social media, your Twitter and your Facebook, this is a great way to do that. The next tab you have over here, this is the image. It's good to connect an image to your SEO because that becomes a little bit more personable. When people see the image, then they're able to connect more with you on that. And also that really helps too for the robots because they know that this image is about this. So as they're indexing and going through and crawling your site, they understand that, okay, this image is connected to a fitness website for beginners. So you want to find something. Now, Quix have done an amazing job that it allows you to be able to connect images. And the way that you do that is if you have a URL, okay, from an external website, you can put that here and it's going to automatically populate that for you. Or you can also click this trash can and let's find something. And this is just some of the images that I uploaded. But another brilliant stuff that they did was they incorporated Unsplash. In a previous video, I talk about Unsplash and how important it is, the integration for this. So Unsplash is a website that you can find any type of image. These are high quality images that you can be able to use for free. And I love the gradient, how the filters that they use for the image, it looks real high quality. So if you want to connect a specific image to your SEO tags, you can certainly do that. If there's something you don't see here, all you have to do is just type. You can just start typing. So I just type in the word fitness and it's showing me some of the popular images for fitness. So from here, you can pick and choose the one that you want to go with. Okay, so I'm just going to choose this one, just double click. So once I double click on this, now this is the image that is going to be associated with this fitness website for beginners. So when you send someone a link, it is going to show this title, it is going to show this description, and it is going to show this image. So this is something that's very key. And let's go over to this basic settings here. You want to add open graph data and you want to add the Twitter card. So we've already added those information there. The open graph data is referring to the Facebook app ID, and for the Twitter card is referring to your Twitter username. So this is really great because if you send a link to someone, they can be able to see exactly what this page is about, and they can see that image is going to be connected with it. So when you're done, you click apply.